Always wanted to get into 3D printing, but overwhelmed by the tech specs and confusing choices? You're not alone. The good news? 2026 is the best year ever for beginners. Today, we're breaking down 3 of the top contenders: the performance-focused FlashForge Adventurer 5M, the Budget King Creality Ender 3v3 SE, and the large format value champion Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. Welcome back to Top 3 Compared. I'm your host, Misha. A huge shout out to our newest family members joining us. Glad to have you on this journey. 3D printing can feel like a rabbit hole, but we're here to simplify it. We're comparing build volume, ease of setup, print quality, and who each printer is really for. Let's find your first 3D printer. First, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M. This is the printer for beginners who don't want to feel like beginners. It's designed to just work, right out of the box. It boasts a massive 600 millimeters per second maximum print speed. That's seriously fast for this class, with 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration. Setup is incredibly simple. It arrives 95% pre-assembled, so you're printing in under 10 minutes. The 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen guides you through every step. A standout feature is the quick-detach nozzle. You can swap nozzles in seconds without tools, which is a game-changer for maintenance. It has a 220 millimeters build volume and uses a direct drive extruder that handles flexible filaments like TPU beautifully. With auto bed leveling and a PEI flexible print bed, prints stick during printing and pop off effortlessly when done. It also supports Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can send files wirelessly. The only catch? It's open frame, but you can buy an enclosure kit separately if you want to print advanced materials like ABS. Choose the FlashForge Adventurer 5M if you want the fastest, most beginner-friendly experience with premium features like toolless nozzle changes and Wi-Fi, and you're willing to invest a bit more for that convenience. Next, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. This printer carries the legendary Ender 3 legacy into the modern era with significant upgrades. It's the go-to for budget-conscious makers who still want reliability. It features fully assembled dual Z-axis screws for rock-solid stability, and the CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling Sensor takes the frustration out of manual leveling. The Sprite Direct Drive Extruder is a huge upgrade from older Bowden setups, letting you print flexible filaments like TPU with ease. It prints at speeds up to 250 millimeters per second, which is plenty fast for most projects. The build volume is 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, giving you that extra height for taller prints. Assembly is down to about 20 minutes with just a few components. It's a proven workhorse at an accessible price point. Choose the Creality Ender 3v3 SE if you want the best bang for your buck, a massive community for support, and proven reliability without stretching your budget. Finally, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. This printer wins on sheer size and value. Like the others, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro features a dual-gear direct drive extruder for excellent filament control and compatibility with PLA, TPU, ABS, and PETG. What really sets it apart? It uses a dual Z-axis with 2 independent motors for exceptional stability and improved print accuracy, especially on taller models. You also get a generous build volume of 225 by 225 by 280 millimeters, giving you plenty of space for larger projects without stepping up to a more expensive machine. The 36-point auto bed leveling system ensures consistent, perfect first layers every time, reducing setup frustration. And if a power outage happens mid-print, the Smart Resume printing function lets you pick up right where you left off, saving both time and material. It also includes thoughtful touches, like a built-in LED light bar on the gantry, perfect for monitoring prints in low light. The 4.3-inch removable touchscreen allows you to preview models comfortably in your hand. And it's incredibly quiet too, operating at around 47-48 dB thanks to silent stepper drivers. Choose the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro if you want the largest build volume for your money, appreciate thoughtful extras like LED lighting, and want a whisper-quiet operation for your home or office. Let's check out our category winners. Best for performance and ease of use, FlashForge Adventurer 5M. Best for budget beginners, Creality Ender 3 v3 SE. Best for large builds and value, Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. Which should you choose? Choose the FlashForge Adventurer 5M if you want the smoothest, fastest entry into 3D printing with premium features and minimal tinkering. Choose the Creality Ender 3v3 SE if you're budget conscious but still want modern features and you value the massive community support that comes with an Ender. Choose the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro if you need that extra build height, prioritize quiet operation, and want the best overall value package with thoughtful extras. And that's your roadmap into the world of 3D printing. One of these machines is your perfect first step into creating virtually anything. We've linked all 3 printers in the description below so you can check current prices and deals. If this guide helped you finally hit buy on your first 3D printer, a quick like really helps the channel. Subscribe to Top 3 Compared and join the family, and let us know in the comments what you plan to print first.